Hey everybody, this is Larry. This is me doing January 25th, or well, the daily problem hasn't been out yet. Wait, is it? Nope, can't click on it. But I am going for dinner later, so I figured, eh. So I'm gonna do the actual daily problem a little bit later, but I'll do the bonus problem that I always do a little bit early because I feel like it's always a repeat these days anyway. So how do I do this again? You'd think I know how to do this, but yeah, RNG take me to a good problem. And today's bonus problem isn't easy. So, okay, so I guess I will get to dinner on time, which is always nice because people expect me to be there on time. Today's problem is 1184, distance between bus stops. Let me drink a little bit first. Yeah, I just came from the gym, so I'm really kind of drained. Whenever I do squats, I have squat days. I mean, I'm still ramping it up. I'm only doing like 230 pounds or something like this for like sets of 8 or something. But nothing too tough. But I'll ramp it up, and then we'll hopefully get to like mid 300s, 400s by the end of the year. All right, let's go. It's an easy problem, so hopefully this is not that bad anyway. So we have end stops from 0 to 1 that goes to a circle, okay, almost like a circular array kind of thing. We know that the distance between all pairs of neighboring stops, where distance of I is the distance between stops I, okay. The bus go both directions. Return the shortest distance between the given start and destination stops. Okay, so you're only given one query because, well, I mean, it is a easy, and I forgot that it is a easy. But I think for for a second, I thought that it was like a list of them. Because if you have a list of them, then it becomes actually a little bit more interesting. You would do some sort of, the way that I would imagine is that you would do some sort of prefix sum, and it is just like the min of two things, so it should be pretty okay. You could do that in O of 1, really, I think. And that would be an interesting problem. For this one, a little bit less so. You can just go either left or go to the right. The way that I would maybe write this is maybe double it up so that we don't have to worry about wraparounds. And then now we have two distances, right? Going to the right, so you're going from start to destination, right? Yeah. So start to destination. This is a little bit tricky, but okay, fine, right? So maybe distance 1 is equal to 0. So if destination is okay, so well, all right. I was trying to think about like clever ways of writing this, but actually, to be honest, this problem is symmetric, right? Because you can go both direction. So here we can actually just flip them if this is the case, right? Then now this narrows down a lot of maybe not a lot, but a few edge cases. So then now destinations to the right. So then now we can just do for I in range from start to destination plus 1 to include destination. Right. Actually, maybe I missed this. Distance of I is the, okay, so actually you don't need destination, right? So dist 1, we just added to distance of I, right? And that'll be it. Maybe I can even write it as sum of distance from start to destination, non-inclusive, on the right side, and that'll be good, right? And then distance 2 is going the other way. Going the other way, then we actually want, and this is where the doubling comes in, is that instead of, I mean, it's the same. You could actually write this in any number of ways, but this is the way. I don't know why I'm writing it this way. It may be a little bit confusing, but yeah. But here now you're going from destination to start, kind of. But now start, you want to add it to maybe initial length, right? Is this true? Actually, maybe I lied on this one. I don't think it's symmetric, is it? I think I'm a little bit off by 1 on this one, actually. Wow, for easy, this is annoying. Because going from destination to, like, because if you're going clockwise, and the reason why that's the case is because going distance only goes from I to I plus 1. So if you're going clockwise, you're actually off by 1 because you're not adding the destination thing. You're actually adding destination minus 1, right? So I guess in this case, it still works though. Yeah, okay, actually, maybe I am still right. No. I mean, okay, but I think these two are correct, but I have to rethink about this one, right? No, it should be good because the distances are still symmetric. It's just really awkward because I'm just thinking like if you go from 0 to 1 and then 1 to 0 should be the same. But yeah, all right, let's give it a submit. This is the most uncertain Yeezy I've had in a while. Probably not true, but okay. But it still turned out to be okay. I think the worry that I had is just the notation around distance. But yeah, I mean, otherwise it's pretty straightforward. There's just two sums, and of course this is linear and this is linear. So yeah, and to be honest, I kind of just did it this way just out of instinct. You actually don't even need it. It turns out, oh, actually maybe you do. What I was going to say is that you can actually just do like a wraparound thing, right? Well, I mean, you don't. Maybe another way to. I mean, this is one way, right? But the thing is that okay, you actually don't need this per se because total is equal to sum of distance, say, and then now this one is equal to. Oh, sorry, this 2 is equal to total minus this 1 because you're summing every number in between in that sense, right? So it should be just this, and then now you don't need the weird doubling, which maybe I do a bad job of explaining anyway. But yeah, a little bit slow. Well, it's a little. I don't know why it's a little bit slower. It's maybe just Leetcode fluctuations things. But yeah, still though, same complexity, linear time, constant space. I guess the other one technically is linear space, so this one is actually a little bit cleaner. But yeah, that's all I have for this one. Let me know what you think. Yeah, and well, in an hour or two. Well, the actual problem, the daily problem, will come in an hour, but I won't be home. So whenever I release that, I'll see you soon. Stay good, stay healthy, to good mental health. I'll see y'all later and take care. And this is not a premium bomb, so everyone can try it. I'll see you later. Bye-bye.